Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today we will talk about downloading and installing the software to be used in this course, which is Fritzing. Go to the Fritzing download page and select your operating system. So, follow my steps to download and install the software. After that, follow the instructions on the page to install on your computer. When you install Fritzing, it will come with all sorts of great parts libraries. There are basic components like wires, buttons, resistors, and other components. There are also components like Arduino, boards, and sensors that can easily be added to your designs.